Girl, who's this girl on camera? Ew. Alright, so welcome back to my channel, you guys. I know I'm looking a little different because honestly, I don't even recognize who this girl is on camera. Like, I kind of like it though. But this wig is from ReadyWig, and they were so kind enough to go ahead and send me this wig. And at first I was low-key nervous because I've never worn a wig before, but y'all, like, it really does something to you. Like, once I put it on, I just feel so confident. Like, I don't know, I just feel really good. And this hair, even though it's synthetic, y'all, it feels like human hair. It is so soft, and like, you can do whatever you want to it. You can wash it, you can put heat on it, it doesn't matter at all. You can do whatever. But they have so many options on their website, you guys. Like, they have colorful wigs, straight wigs, curly wigs. It doesn't matter, whatever you want, it's on there. And also, the best part is they're affordable, and they also do free shipping. When it comes to shopping, you guys, I can spend $100 on something, but when I see like $5 shipping or $10 shipping, I'm just like, you know what, do I really want this stuff? So for them to do free shipping is amazing, and I do have a coupon code with them, so y'all can go ahead and save a little bit of money. All right, so let me stop talking. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So I know I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, but I want to show you guys how I wear the wig because I'm not a professional wig wearer, you guys. I've never done this before, so if you have any tips for me, please let me know down below. But besides that, I want to show you guys how I did my hair. So I basically went ahead and gelled it down, that way it looks like it's coming from my scalp. And then I also have my wig cap in here, so y'all can see all my little, you know, secrets. Right now I'm exposing myself, but this is what it looks like underneath, and I do have the wig on top. So before I go ahead and start, I do want to tell you guys about this wig because ReadyWig went ahead and sent me this hair, and I'm so grateful for them because I've never tried a wig before, and I was low-key nervous because they told me it was gonna be synthetic, and I was like, you know what, I don't know if that'll be good because when I think of synthetic, I think of Barbie hair. But this hair surprised me, you guys, because it's not what I thought it would be. It's so soft, it moves, it's flowy, and it just feels really good on my head. And originally it did have some lace right in front of the wig, but I did cut it off because I didn't want to glue it on my head. If you guys do want to glue it on, you definitely can, but for me, I just want to throw it on and be out the door because that's why it's called ReadyWig. But yeah, let me show you guys how I put this hair on. So I do have the wig on, and I do have my wig cap and all of that, and it does have these two little strings right here by the side, and basically what I do is I connect them in the back because my head is so big, you guys, and I have to hold it down. So I just grab these two pieces and I clip it together. So now my hair is secure and locked in, and when it came to wigs, you guys, I used to be so scared because I didn't want nobody to snatch my wig off and leave me looking stupid. So I'm glad it's secure and ready to go, and I'm just gonna take this little clip down right now and show you guys what it looks like when it's all down. And this wig, y'all, is so pretty. Like, look at that. And even though it's synthetic, you guys, you can still put some heat on it. You can wash it, you can wet it, you can do whatever you want to it. And that's why I love it so much, because it just really surprised me. I wasn't expecting this when I got this wig, and it's also very cheap and affordable, y'all. So it's really bomb. But let me put my hair up because I'm about to do my makeup. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly literally had so much fun. Like, y'all, like, this is like the most fun I've had in a video in so long, and I'm just like really feeling this hair, feeling this makeup. Like, let me go ahead and calm down because I'm doing too much right now. But I do hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next one.